Hello and welcome. You can start preparing for your 2024 JAMB and WAEC exams using our YouTube channel, Tclassified.com. Just get to YouTube and type in Tclassified.com. You then click on playlists. You can see playlist here. Then you can see lectures for all the subjects: economics, CRS, literature, chemistry, and the rest of them. If you need one-on-one teaching, you can just call my number plus 234 70 671 62698. I'll drop it in the description part of this video. You can also see past questions and answers. You can see all of them here. So any subject you want, you can simply click on this link and type it in. So you can type chemistry. So once you type in chemistry and press enter, you're going to see the classes done on chemistry. You can see uses of chemistry, chemistry tutorial. This WAEC and JAMB chemistry tutorial is the full tutorial. You can click on it and it will open so that you get the lectures.
With DataCamp, you don't need to download Python.
After this, you also type in chemistry past questions so that after the lectures, you can have the past questions. So once I click on skip, you're going to see the full lecture. So have the full lectures. After the full lectures, you can try out the past questions. So you can see it's very descriptive lectures for all the subjects, WAEC, chemistry, WAEC and JAMB as well as other exams. So you can see chemistry past questions. Mind you, you have to type this when you are already on the Tclassified channel. That's when you can type this so that you can get the ones from our channel. So you can see the past questions. You can see for different years. So this one is the complete one, JAMB chemistry past question and answer spread. So check it out. You're gonna enjoy them. So if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. But very importantly, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we drop any video, you'll be the first to see them. If you want to score very high, if you want to get very high score, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to engage also in the private classes so that you can get prepared in order to get high score in your JAMB and WAEC. See you. Thank you.